Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then doing a quick demo review of the Iniu 25-watt wall charger 2-pack. So you get two of these little guys in this box, and they are USB Type-C, and they're capable of outputting 25 watts of power. So really nice product, small but powerful. Iniu's confidence, you can see they do offer a 3-year warranty on these, so a really good warranty. And on the back here you can see the output, input and output, 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2.77 amps, and 12 volt 2.1 amps. So let's open these guys up and take a look at them. And there's a little warranty card in there. So, see that? Got your little welcome guide and warranty card. But let's move that out of the way and take a look at these plugs. Now, they're both the same, so you can see you get two. I'm just going to take one out so we can take a closer look at it. You can see here, 25 watts of power. This is Type-C PD, which is power delivery. So, power delivery 25 watts. Type-C. It's a small little brick, and you've got your 2-prong plug on the back there. And that's really all there is to it. You can see it's nice and small. It's not going to take up a lot of space. If you plug this into a 2-plug outlet, you got plenty of room to plug something else underneath or above it. So it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it delivers 25 watts of power through that Type-C PD charging. So great small little power delivery wall charger, and again, of course, you do get two of them in the pack. So that's what comes in the box. Now let's jump over and check these guys out in action. What I love about these 25-watt PD charging pucks from Iniu is they're so small. Look, you can stack them on top of each other. They don't even come close to touching, so they're really small but really powerful at 25 watts. They offer PD Type 3 charging as well as Quick Charge 2.0, Quick Charge 3.0, and Apple 2.4 amps. So you can see I've got my iPhone plugged into one of them and it's charging there. And then over here I've got this Samsung wireless charger which powers using Quick Charge 3.0 in order to do fast wireless charging. And I've got my Samsung buds on there charging, as you can see. All these devices plugged into those Iniu 25-watt PD power supplies, and doing a great job. And again, because it supports PD 3.0, Quick Charge 2.0 or 3.0, as well as the Apple fast charging, you're going to get the fastest charge for all of your phone, your tablets, your iPods, iPads, iPhones, as well as any wireless charging device that uses Quick Charge 3.0 in order to support wireless charging. You can get all that out of this tiny little power supply. And this 2-pack is a really excellent pack from Iniu. If you're looking for some Type-C chargers, PD chargers, you really can't go wrong with these. I would highly recommend them. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. If you have questions, post them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as swiftly as I can. Thanks for watching, and as always, be safe and be happy.